Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Dodge Charger wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft cloth. Park your Dodge Charger safely and turn off the ignition. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into the upright position. This prevents the arm from snapping back and potentially damaging the glass. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. You might need to wiggle it slightly. Hold onto the wiper arm securely to prevent it from falling onto the windshield. Installing the new blade is straightforward. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's properly attached and won't come loose. Finally, carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade on your Dodge Charger. Once both new blades are installed, turn on your vehicle and test them with some windshield washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.